Quantum tool number 1, understanding the basics of quantum physics. My feelings emit a frequency. The higher my frequency, the higher my vibration, the faster and easier my dreams will flow to me. The energy I put out will be matched with the energy I get back. Three easy ways to turn up your vibration: exercise, laughter, meditation. There are many, but these are some that you can use right now. Quantum tool number 1, turn up your frequency. Quantum tool number 2, set a powerful intention to align with the energy of love or above. We're human beings. We're gonna ebb and flow. Create an awareness of where you are in relationship to where your dreams are. And if you start to feel it sad, angry, annoyed, that's okay. Feel it, be with it, and honor it. Because in the honoring and awareness of our feelings, we can release them with love. Be willing to witness your process, let it go, and then turn it back up. Quantum tool number 2, set a powerful intention to align with the energy of love or above. Write that down. Quantum tool number 3, shift your energy to what you actually desire. I want you guys to play with me for just a moment here. Close your eyes. Take a big deep breath in, breathing into your heart. Asking yourself the question, if I could have, do, be, say anything, what would I be doing? There are no limits. The sky is the limit. Breathing in deeper into your heart, asking, if I can have, be, do, say, create anything, what would I be doing? What is my deepest desire? How would I be feeling? Who would I be impacting? When you're ready, you can open your eyes to the room. You just connected to your heart's desires, the dreams of your soul, not what the logical mind thinks is possible. One of the biggest mistakes I see people make is they go after what they believe they can accomplish instead of what they truly desire. Stay focused no matter what, no matter who agrees with you, no matter who doesn't agree with you, no matter how far out there it seems. Stay focused on the highest version of your dream. This is the magic of quantum physics. Shift your energy, shift your focus, shift your vibration, and become an energetic match to what you truly desire. Quantum tool number 3, shift your energy to what lights you up. Quantum tool number 4, surround yourself with people and energy that elevate you. Observe your environment. Notice how you're walking through life. Are you surrounding yourself with people that are making you stretch, helping you leap, encouraging you to tippy-toe to be the best version of you? If you are, you're around high vibrational people. Stay around them. Let them energize you, encourage you, and keep you running. Are you around people that drain the energy out of you, leave you feeling anxious, tired, and weighted? If so, be aware of that. Notice how you spend your hours in the day. Are you spending your hours having conversations that excite you and lift you? Or are you spending your hours consuming content that leaves you feeling uninspired and hopeless? Quantum physics and energy is a 24/7 experience. How are you spending your 24/7? Quantum tool number 4, surround yourself with energy that elevates you. Write that down. Quantum tool number 5, never give up and stand strong for what it is you truly desire. always focus on the mantra, things are always working out for me, even if it feels like they're not, even if it seems like it's impossible. When you can focus on the mantra of knowing things are always working out for you and there's a higher plan at play, you automatically turn up your frequency. Make quitting not an option. Make higher vibration your non-negotiable. Make living at an energy that is new, exciting, extraordinary, and above loving not an option. You've heard the term never giving up before, but can you make never giving up not an option? Now, for this year, what does it look like to make your finances and your financial growth not an option? What does it look like to make your relationship happy and healthy not an option? What does it feel like to make losing that 5, 15, 30 pounds not an option? Energy goes where energy flows. Quantum tool number 5, stand strong for what is not an option for you. Sometimes I look at my life today and I'm blown away because there was a time when all I saw was a need to please those around me. And when all I saw was a sadness, and when all I saw was a small version of the woman I knew I could be. But today, I am lit up with a woman who greets me in the mirror. I'm far from perfect, and I still have a lot of levels to turn up in my own life, but I am blown away at who I've become. And one of the major tools in becoming the woman I am today is quantum physics, understanding energies and frequencies and vibrations in my body, understanding I control the energy that greets me and I control the energy that left me. Understanding how much power I have was one of my biggest awakenings. And so I leave you with this. Where in your life are you going to commit to turn it up right now? Pick a category to turn up your vibration in, starting now. How many of you want to turn up your vibration in the area of love? How many of you want to turn up your vibration in the area of joy? How many of you want to turn up your vibration in the area of abundance, resilience, laughter, playfulness, forgiveness, self-love, grace? Where do you want to turn it up? You have more power than you can ever imagine. There is no circumstance, no person, no place that has the power to take you out of your positive energy source. You are the only person that controls the frequency in which you choose to operate with. And I came here to help you turn it up, to tell you when you think you've hit your ceiling, open the roof. When you feel like you've hit your max, expand a little more, turn it up a little higher. You'll be surprised by the man or the woman that you become. Feel the energy right now? Feel the frequency right now in the room? That is called turning the dial up, and I'm here to help you turn it up. I want you to wake up and be blown away by your life. That is my wish for each and every one of you. Thank you.